to the Oodnadatta Track. Oodnadatta, Oodnadatta, do-do-do-do-do-do-da-da. That's our state Blinman done. Where are you taking me?
I'm taking you to Marree, baby.
Marree. Via Leigh Creek.
Going on the Outback Highway.
Emilia Cottage. You were awesome. So on this side of the Flinders, this is the oldest rock, the eastern side. 600,000 billion years old or something? It's very old.
Very old, yes.
I'll show you the sideboard I took a photo of. I think it was like 580 million years.
It's more, I think it started at
600 million.
600 million.
Okay.
About 110 litres for 160 k's.
Yeah, lots of free camps along this area near Parachilna Gorge. There you go, that's the Glass Gourd Road. And from now on, this is all new territory to us. We've not been this way. Looks like it. This might be our last Flinders ruin.
Well, Susie, I think this is where we leave the Flinders behind. Look at that. We're going out that way to the middle. Out that way to the middle. Till we see a big red bloody rock sticking out. Creek. Yeah, I see it. Where's the thingy? Oh, there. Quick card stop for Susie. Bike seems to be going good, Suze.
Leigh Creek.
Rack hasn't fallen off. Leigh Creek. The first 65k's done. Okay, onward.
Welcome to Copley. Copley Hotel. Looks like a very old sandstone building as well. Nice. It's very Mexican, isn't it?
All right. You have been Copleyed. Lyndhurst is the next before we get to Farina.
There's a place I have never been. On the cover
Looks like there was a big bobber.
Gotta stay till the bitter end. I'm the upshot of fallen trends, alright.
Welcome to Lyndhurst, where the Oodnadatta Track meets the Outback Highway. And that's it, famous Oodnadatta Track that we were on a few days ago. And that was Lyndhurst. That was very quick.
That was Lyndhurst. Our next stop is Farina.
Take a trip down on Easy Street. That's where all of the losers meet, alright. Bang their heads up.
What are you doing? Travels on the Oodnadatta Track. Cool. That's cool. Nothing.
Mental breakdown. Will we ever get down to what it's all about?
down with the bakery.
Nearly went.
And the name. Me. Okay, Michael's got the Outback sausage pie from the Farina underground bakery.
What have you got?
Cookies. Of course, I got a sausage roll. And the obligatory stubby cooler. That was one of the best sausage rolls.
I think you say that.
No, I'm serious. That was one of the best sausage rolls. That was so good.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. You're right dead bang in the middle of it. We started on the 25th of May. We'll be out of here on the 21st of July.
Excellent.
And it's the same period each year.
So good. It was delicious, guys. Thank you so much. Go, downtown Farina. Pretty awesome. Awesome place to visit. If you're here this time of year, winter, come and have a bush pie and a bush sausage roll. Outstanding. Well done, guys. Track. That is it.
Marree, baby. Staying over there?
Yep.
Get some fuel first.
Okay, good. Okay, everyone, welcome to Marree. The end of the end of the tar before we hit the dirt Oodnadatta. So this is our room for the night, number 14. Let's check it out. Oh, cool. Nice. Separate shower to toilet. Cool little room. This is downtown Marree. See, every time I've watched it on the video, I always thought, this is how I pictured it, the pub, the camping, and then the Oodnadatta Track sign there. Not the pub, and then the Oodnadatta Track signs over there past the servo. It seems a waste to build a railway line all the way out here, and obviously went somewhere, and then now it doesn't. It's what a waste. Like, you got to...
Adelaide to Darwin, baby.
So where's the train track now?
There.
That's not going anywhere.
Put all by road.
No, but I'm saying, if you put a railway from Adelaide to Darwin, wouldn't you just maintain it and keep it going forever? Yeah. Look at the camel shoe. Look at that. How much it is. Pretty big though. Update. Camels have toes.
Yes.
They can't wear shoes like that. He's a Mad Max camel. Okay, dinner at the Marree Hotel tonight. Doing chicken one with a dip.